How's everybody doing? So if you are on this video, that's because you either clicked on it through an email that I sent you or you found me randomly on YouTube. I'm just going to do a real quick video. I know I talked about some of the products that I find have a lot of value to them and honestly aren't super expensive. I know there's a lot of people out there that push high ticket items, but I'm not one of them. I'm someone who thinks that, you should be able to get your business started for a reasonable amount of money, and, that's just what I think overall. So I'm going to shrink my screen down. So what I'm going to show you here is the Home Business Academy. So they have a funnel builder, which I think if you're familiar with ClickFunnels or anything like that, or GrooveFunnels, ClickFunnels I think is like $97 a month. Funnel builder tool through HBA is $25 a month. It's so affordable and something that I think you definitely should consider. And actually, if you're an affiliate and you sell it, you make 80%, so you're going to get $20. So if you sell two, then your funnel builder is paid for, and you can probably get an autoresponder to go with it. So just real quick, you can see in here that you have the different, this is the funnel builder itself, and then you have the pages, so some of the pages that I've created so far, and then you've got different funnels that they offer, and you can add in more funnels, all different kinds of things that you can do. So it's a pretty nice little tool for someone who's trying to learn how to do affiliate marketing, and it's not super expensive. I think you should check it out, and if you got any questions, let me know.